Hey guys, Danson Outdoors here. In this video we are testing out our boat. Sorry we haven't uploaded in a while. It's been about a week and a half now. Just haven't had a lot of time to post some content. So we're just gonna go take our boat out that you saw in the boat flip video. We're gonna test it out and stay tuned. Alright guys, we're in the boat. Floating well, no water in it. Dad's using the trolling motor at the front. We're not going to start the motor yet because it's a little big to start at the boat launch. We're out here on the bay. Gonna do some fishing on our test run. Hopefully we can catch something. Alright guys, first cast off of our first run on the boat. Guess you don't have to cast it too far. It's a little rough today, guys, but we'll definitely come out. The last wind today, we'll try. We're gonna keep casting. Alright guys, just got back from taking the boat out for the first run, and it all works good. We kind of damaged the prop because the prop on this motor actually, because we ended up setting the trolling motor right here, and then yeah, this is, you can't really see, it's damaged there, but apparently they're cheap, so it doesn't really matter. We didn't get enough content because it was too rough today and we couldn't really fish that well. So what we are gonna do is, in a couple hours, we are gonna go to the boat launch and we're gonna go to the boat launch and just catch some perch and maybe some rock bass. And then, yeah, we'll take this out another day in another video, but it all rides well. And if you're wondering why this isn't on, we ran out about this much of carpet we needed, and then we didn't have enough. So we're gonna go get some more stuff for this. We need more screws and carpet and put it on the last piece of plywood. And yeah, everything's looking good, and we'll see you at the boat ramp. Alright guys, it's later in the day, and we're going to turn this video into a dollar store fishing rod challenge. Just the rod, no tackle. But we actually found this at our dollar store, our local dollar store. It's a $4, what is it, Shimano, I saw it earlier. I think it's, it was a Shimano SRS 6000. Shimano SRS 6000. I didn't know Shimano made rods that cheap, but apparently they make $4 rods. So we're gonna go. I just put on, this is the only reel I could find. It's not the best combo for this rod, but we're gonna go try and catch a fish on this. If we catch a couple good sized perch, we'll do a catch and cook, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're out here at the dock. Got our dollar store fishing rod. Just got a little curly jig tied on. Can't reach it because it's so windy, but that's it right there. Curly tail jig thing. Don't know what it's actually called. Alright, so we're gonna cast this thing out, see how it works. Holy, that actually casts really good. Got on weeds there. Got a bunch of weeds, but I mean, that casted really well. I did not expect it to go that far. It has no weights on it, by the way, just a jig head. That casted pretty far. Alright, we're just gonna go closer to the stock though, because that's where all the fish are. Try and hook onto a nice eating perch. So that would be very good content. And good eating. Oh, I had one. Had one already, guys. Bite seems to be pretty good right now. Because it's very windy out here, you'll see I've never seen so many sailboats in this spot, and they're all going super fast, as you can see. There's not really any people down here, except people walking. No fishermen out here. There's a bunch of ducks over there. So far I've gotten a couple bites, guys, on this rod. Can't hook in anything yet. Just giving it little twitches up to the surface and back down. It's actually a pretty sensitive rod. Dad's looking at the ducks over there. Guys, we're using this super tiny, like it's a crankbait, but it's like micro. Like it can catch super tiny perch or really anything. Maybe trout. Has a trout pattern on it.
And we found it.
Yeah, and we found it on the rocks here around this spot, like 50 meters away from here. And the little perch are biting it. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's really cool.